Have you ever thought about making money just by using your voice? With artificial intelligence, it's not only possible, it's easier than ever. You don't need a fancy studio or expensive equipment, just a decent mic, a laptop, and a quiet space. That's all it takes to get started. AI tools like ElevenLabs, Play.ht, or Descript are totally changing the voiceover game for podcasts, videos, audiobooks, and way more. These platforms make pro-level audio quick and simple, even if you're a total beginner. On freelancing sites like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer, people are earning anywhere from $50 to $500 per gig using AI voiceovers. Seriously, that's real income all from home. Here's the process. You type or upload a script, pick a voice style, and let the AI do its magic. You can even clone your own voice for a personal touch. If you'd rather use your real voice, AI can help with noise reduction, instant editing, and even auto subtitles. It's like having a sound engineer in your pocket. From YouTube narration to podcast intros, TikTok reels to commercial ads, the demand for voiceover work is massive. And the best part, you can do it all from home, totally anonymous if you want. No need to show your face or chase fame. Want to learn how to start step by step? Watch the full tutorial and hit subscribe for more AI-powered income ideas.